Top of it, top of it. It's your boy Coach One Stack, man. We at it again, man. Hope everybody's having a good day. And before I leave this video, I want to give you guys a trigger warning because it is very, very graphic. It is extremely graphic. It does involve, somebody being deleted. But the name of it is he raped her, then deleted her. So, man, right now, I want to go back to my days, man. I told you guys I've had many professions. If you know my background, you already know where this is coming from. And we're going to talk about the tragic deletion of a young girl named Strohmeyer Iverson out here in Nevada. And when I tell you this, stay to the end and you're going to learn why in Nevada we have certain laws that says if you watch a crime take place and you don't, tell anybody, you are just as guilty. You can catch that same case. Because in the early hours of May 25th, 1977, 7-year-old Strohmeyer Iverson entered the ladies' bathroom of the Prima Donna Casino Resort in Prim, Nevada, where she was sexually assaulted and deleted, okay? Now, Strohmeyer Iverson was visiting the Prima Donna Resort, right? And she was with her father, Leroy Iverson, and her 14-year-old brother, Harold. Her father was drinking and gambling in the casino and unwilling to watch his daughter. Now, dig this. He was unwilling to watch his daughter. And so he left her in the care of Harold. Now, press and pause, y'all. Out here in Nevada, guys, people love to drink, they love to gamble, they love to do all this stuff, and they love to leave their kids in the casino unattended or leave them in an arcade, which is all bad business, y'all. When you doing your vices out here, guys, and man, take care of your kids first, because you stay to the end of this video, you're going to see what happened because this man, chose not to watch his beautiful daughter, and you're going to see what happened. This man chose, this is why I tell y'all, when y'all choose drinking and drugs and vices over your responsibilities, anything can happen, guys. So here's what happened, y'all. Because I'm going to tell you guys, I'm reading something for you, and I'm going to tell you guys some common knowledge because you know my background, okay? So now, the casino security, returned Strohmeyer to her father several times. And they found her, because they found her running around the casino unsupervised, right? The casino floor is not a place for a child. However, the casino prioritized taking Leroy's money rather than asking him to leave with his 2 children. And Leroy had no interest in watching his children and leaving the casino. Once again, security tried to get this man to watch his kids, and he didn't want to. He would rather sit up and gamble. Like a lot of y'all would rather sit up and gamble. You dig what I'm saying? I'd rather sit up and do drugs. I'd rather sit up and not do anything but take care of your kids like you're supposed to. Because remember, that's your responsibility. So now the story gonna get a little sticky, y'all. At approximately 4 a.m., Jeremy Strohmeyer, then 18 years old, began to play with Strohmeyer Iverson on the casino floor. Jeremy was visiting a casino with his friend David Cash, y'all. David's father and Jeremy played hide and seek with Strohmeyer in the casino before telling her that a good place to hide would be in the ladies' restroom. When Strohmeyer entered the ladies' restroom, she was followed shortly by Jeremy Strohmeyer and David Cash Jr. into the restroom, witnessing Strohmeyer holding his left hand over Iverson's mouth and fondling her with his right. Cash then left the restroom and Jeremy Strohmeyer deleted the little girl after he sexually assaulted her, right? So now, here's the thing. Here's what happened. That was the reading. This little girl, you have a dude's father who did not want to, watch his children. He would rather gamble and drink. So he left him on the casino floor. So now you have this white guy, 18, and his friend, 17 years old, that started playing hide and seek with a 7-year-old girl. Because it's going to get better, y'all. You stay to the end of this video, man. Because, man, I got them stories for you. Because I told you, man, I am ex-law enforcement. I am ex-street. I am ex-ism. And I'm a lot of stuff, but I'm a man of God now. You dig what I'm saying? So that's why I got these stories for y'all, man. I tell you, it's some things I can tell you around here. So now, after they playing hide and seek and they go into the restroom, well, he decides to go in there and he sexually assaults her and deletes her. Well, here's the thing, man. This is when they start changing the law, saying that if you witness a crime, you have to come forward, because if you don't come forward, you're just as guilty. So we're going to get to what happened to Jeremy Strohmeyer. Can you dig it? Because yeah, man, I got people in big places, and I got a whole lot of family in the penitentiary, prison system, county jail system. You have it. And at that time, I was plugged. Like as I told you, you know my background. So, you know, Jeremy Strohmeyer, man, this is where the story gonna get real interesting, because the same thing that make you laugh make you cry. Jeremy Strohmeyer, man, was sentenced to life in prison out here in the penitentiary. He was sentenced to life in prison for deleting this little girl, little beautiful black girl, right? And on the first day that he went to the penitentiary, he was great not once, not twice, not 3 times, not 4 times, not 5 times, but 6 times. He was great, y'all. That was Jeremy Strohmeyer's, you know, fate. Until my last knowledge, having people that are doing time, doing forever and a day, never getting out. Jeremy Strohmeyer is now a woman inside of there. He became somebody's woman inside of there. Kind of like the Lamar Moore thing, how he turned people out. But this ain't about him. Guys, you know, the object of this video of me telling you, the reason of me telling you this video is to tell you some sick individuals out there like Lamar Moore, because he would do something like that. You dig what I'm saying? And that you have to make your kids your priority over everything. Guys, it ain't nothing that you put ahead of your kids. You don't put smoking no 420 over your kids. Ladies, you don't put no man before your kids. See, man, it kills me, man, when a dude come around, you meet a woman, and she be trying to make her kids go to sleep just so she can try to get that eggplant. You don't put nothing before your kids, because in this case, y'all, because Mr. Leroy put gambling and alcohol in front of his kids, hey, man, she's no longer here. And because of that, laws got changed. But old Jeremy Strohmeyer, he's right now, he's doing life. And like I said, last I checked, he definitely was property of the Aryan Brotherhood in the penitentiary and being rented out for whatever, day by day, piece by piece, for the rest of his natural life. Can you dig it? Man, these are just some of these war stories that I'm going to tell you. Y'all asked to hear more of these stories about my previous employment and previous days in the streets and when I wasn't in the streets and God and all that. Man, you're going to get it all over here, but it's nothing but the truth. But guys, like I said, these are trigger warnings, man. These are some tough stories to tell. These are things that I saw. You dig? You know, to have to look at a picture and paperwork of a young girl who have been raped, 7 years old, and have to look at her and see how she was unalived by this man, having a daughter myself at that time. Guys, you start to have nightmares. You start to have bad feelings. God, I got PTSD from a lot of this stuff right now. Matter of fact, dealing with the whole Lamar Moore incident has made me even just open up a whole lot of different memories that I've had from those days, which y'all will be seeing videos on this stuff day to day. But like I said, at the end of the day, hey man, watch this entire video. Just keep watching the content. Subscribe to the channel, because it's only just gonna get realer and realer and realer. Y'all asked for some of these stories. Now I'm gonna start telling y'all some of these stories, and they're all true. They came from my eyes. Can you dig it? Other than that, man, y'all have a blessed day, and believe, hey man, and build your self-esteem by thinking and not drinking. Can you dig it? With no vices and devices, because that's what God wants you to do. Y'all have a beautiful day, church.